Hello, this is Michael Kinsler here again from Qtellwholesale working with Marley's Wholesale, and we're going to move on to our next stage of how to get the site layout. Now, as I finished up, I changed the categories from the bottom to the top, and this can be done with all these as well. Okay, so moving on, and then we can click here to edit box headers. So we can click there to change any of the headers at all. So that's basically that one there. We'll just click on that. And there we go, we can change them. But we don't want to do any of that. That's already been set up. So basically now I have all these already set up on the web page. And I can edit each one of these by using these buttons here. I can delete it, and I can actually edit it. So if I go to, say, Skype free calls to landlines, I've got it on the right hand side, priority 3, and I can edit. So the first thing you see is what it is. You'll see the actual writing itself inside the actual system, and you'll see it here in the boxes. That's on the right. So Skype free calls to landlines, and that's what I have here. I've got it on the right. I can change that, and I've got the priority. Now you'll notice in here that you'll have a whole range of jargon. This is the HTML. So if I go into edit HTML online, just waiting for it to come up from the server, and you will see that I have that there, and that's what I have inside my web page. There it is there. So I press the HTML button, which is here. This will be the code, which is actually how it works. And at a later stage, once you get familiar with this will be a more advanced section of it, how to set up your affiliates and where to get that all from, and that's basically the code that's there. Okay, so we don't want to do any work on that because that's already set up, so we'll go back on that. And we can add a new category if we want to. So basically, if I want to add a new box, a new category, a new box itself on the web page, I click here, and I just put in the name, and for this reason we'll just put in test, and then we'll just put in test, and I'm going to take it down the left. I'll take it down the left, and I'll make a priority 10. So what I do is then I will actually put nothing into the box, and I'll just put down test, and I'll make that bigger so we can see it, and there we have it. Save the changes, and what we'll do is then we'll take in the web page and refresh the page. Now if we go down to the very, we will see that we have test, and that's what's there. Test. Okay, just that out, and we'll delete that one completely because we don't want that. So we just delete it. So there we go. Press the delete button. Are you okay? Are you sure you want to delete the box? Yes, we. And that's gone. Bring in the web page, refresh it, and it won't be there. gone completely. You will notice that this here, you notice these have, see the way my hand kind of lights up on there? But this one here is a mistake I made. So one little mistake now, I left a bit of code out. You can't click on it. I'm trying to click on that and it doesn't actually click. You notice that everything else clicks, but I can't click on this. So that's a mistake which I need to correct. Do next, in later on down the line, the more advanced section, we'll actually show how to go in there and correct your mistakes and how to set up your pictures with hyperlink to them. Also, which is normally on Alt. So that's that. So that's one of them. So we just go back into the appearance settings again. And catalog and product page sync. We'll go into this here now. Okay, so basically you've got 3 tabs up the top here, and you can actually set what the price list, or you can set it, so how many columns are going to come up. So we can actually set how many columns. So we pick up a screen, click on an item, actually a mistake on me. So we'll actually do just click on a wholesale audio and vision. Now you can see that in here we've set up our subcategories and newest to the system and 3 thumbnails. These are you can, the user can go in and change these if he wants to, but by default you've set this up in here in your web page. So we've got the new to the system, which we have here, newest to the system, and we can change that. And products per page 39. Now you don't want to go too high on this because it'll take a long time to load up your page. So I've got, if you count the products, just nice. So the outside boxes just come in there. I could actually put in another 3 products in there if I wanted. Okay, so we'll actually get you on the next tutorial. This is Michael Kinsler from Qtellwholesale Limited with Marley's Wholesale, franchise partners, and we'll catch you on the next tutorial and we'll move on for the next section down here. Thank you.